What is this thing got? What?
5.3 stock bottom.
It's stock bottom on 5.3?
Yeah.
Is that a? It's a bullseye.
That's got a bigger cam in it than this one does.
Okay, what cam's in this one?
I'll show you.
This is.
I can't remember.
What bullseye charger is this?
What's that?
What charger is that?
That's an 80.
It's a bullseye power 80.
Yeah.
So
I think it's 80, 86 or something.
S400 base steel. Nice little tunnel hole there. V-drive boat. You said the V-drive was making noise?
Yeah, I got it all fixed.
Oh, you got it fixed. Just haven't put it back together yet?
Yeah.
So this one is CO2 boost control, air-to-water intercooler. Cool.
Here's the hydro cam.
Cool thing about a boat is that we've got the largest heat sink in the world and that the lake is always cold, right? So you can put cold water through here all the time. I'm talking to my phone, Casey.
I get it. I get it.
So this is the boat we're working on today. This is a Hydro. This is a VS Racing 85.
Yep.
Is this a
102 exhaust?
102 exhaust wheel? This is the, is this the stock bottom N53 too? Also?
No, that's a 6-0 stroke. It's a 403.
403 cubic inch steel. Non-intercooled E85. We're playing with some boost control stuff. We just put a air bleed on the gates there. That's what that brass valve is. I'll zoom in a bit right there. It's just a bleed to give us some wastegate control. But V-drive, Holley HP, both Holley ECU deals. So we're gonna get out on the water and do some playing with this thing. Turn the boost up a little bit, maybe a lot. We'll see. You said you just had this thing painted, Casey?
Yeah, just now. I mean, just this spring.
That's right. It's gorgeous. Yeah, it's beautiful. So what cam's in this one?
This one has a comp cam. It is a 615 lift and a duration at 50, a 236.
236, 252 at 50. Okay, on a 400 cube. Yeah, which is why we're running out of steam at 6500. The VE seems to fall off a bit. So we're going to try to overcome that with just a big hammer today by turning the boost up. That's the plan. But the water is just perfect right now. Check that out. That glass. I should have brought my draggy with me, Casey.
Draggy.
Yeah, it's like a performance meter.
Oh yeah. We got 2 turns open.
2 turns from when you can just barely blow through it, right?
Yep.
I just don't know what kind of volume that thing will pass, you know what I mean?
It opens up a lot.
Yeah, which it's going to take a lot to bleed pressure off posts, you know? Also a bit overfueled, and that will have an effect on that. But. So Bob, what is this thing? It's a
475.
475.
Yeah.
A couple IHI. What are these chargers off of even?
I think they were all from a Cummins.
A Cummins? So yeah,
I don't know. They're off of
some sort of industrial application?
Yep.
Cool.
Tom Earhart specials.
Yep.
No, it doesn't seem to be pulling as hard as it normally does.
Oh, I didn't change anything with that.
Oh, I wonder if I got a wastegate that's hanging on it yet a little bit.
Could be, because yeah, the wide open stuff I didn't mess with.
Yeah.
I just confirmed it was okay.
It seemed to be running good.
Yeah.